Busog. Sarap.
So may ride si Makad na pasali papuntang Don Rafael.
ABST ako bukas. Ano yung absent?
Hindi.
Short end and absent. ABST.
ABST. Shout out Chapter Manila. Ganun ba te?
Obvious natin.
Ayan Chapter Manila chapter yan. No, this is family.
Vlogger dyan.
Woo! Woo! Aru! Aru!
Vlogger dyan.
Ayan So Don Rafael Restaurant sa may Sumolong Highway. Yan. Night ride yan mga lods. Sa Antabayanan may isa pa kaming anantay, si Pops Rosalito. Shout out Asiro. Motovlog yun, the best yan. Shout out Makad. So yan
Makad TV father. Makad TV.
Makad TV, what's up? So yan na po, complete na po ang Odysseus. Nag-prayer na lang for our safety for our rides.
A few minutes later.
Touchdown, Don Rafael Restaurant.
Bigyan mo ako ng vlog ko dyan
Ayan na po sila.
Ate, bigyan mo ako dyan ng vlog ko
Ang Manila chapter. Doon ka na. Makad TV in the house. Saan ka Makad TV? Don Rafael Restaurant. Ayan. Touchdown, Manila chapter. Don Rafael Restaurant. Nasa kami K3.
Kala ko kiyas.
So yun guys, nandito tayo sa may Don Rafael Restaurant sa may Sumolong Antipolo. So nakita nyo naman po yung na yan, overlooking ng Maynila. Yan.
Walking down the schoolyard, seeing memories in the dark. First love shining like a star underneath the moon so far. Holding hands is where we meet. Promises and whispers sweet. Eternal friendships made to keep. Laughter echoes through the street. Remembering the good times in those school days of mine. Underneath the moon.
Makad TV. Diyan ka lang. Saan ka pe?
Sabihin natin sa kanila.
A few moments later.
Holding hands is where we meet. Promises and whispers sweet. Eternal friendship.
Busog. Sarap.